Cruise Shipping Miami 2014 was an incredible success. Starting with some valuable insights from the cruise industry's top executives, we had exhibitors from all over the world featuring technology, food, and obviously incredible destinations. Check it out.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of the UBM team to welcome you all to the 30th anniversary of Cruise Shipping Miami.
We must continue to reinforce the positive economic impact of the global cruise industry, which in 2012 generated $100 billion in gross output, paid $33 billion in wages, and provided 775,000 jobs around the world.
So we see huge growth in Europe, we see huge growth in South America, in Asia, much faster than we're seeing in this country because so many more people have already taken their first cruise.
The cruise industry since 2008 in Europe alone has increased by 50%.
When you think about geographic regions that have huge untapped potentials, again, I think there's opportunities everywhere, but obviously Asia is a big area, and we're very aggressive in Asia.
You have to make the destinations interesting. Building new island destinations as through the FCCA, we're doing a load of that stuff, as well as through CLIA and all of the global things that are going on.
Founder and President, Mr. Don Stevens, who's with us here today, he was able to sign a contract on a total new build ship.
It's all about innovation basically here, and we are here to introduce a new product within the environmental business.
This is a big event. It's a huge event, not just for us here in Miami. This is a global event.
Another great day at Cruise Shipping Miami. We're here with Timothy Lake from Loy Part. Thanks for being here with me.
Thanks.
And how many years has your company been coming to this event?
Yeah, our company's been coming to this event for the last 25 years. Myself, this is my 4th event, and it's just fantastic, a great networking opportunity.
The world loves cruising, and there's so many amazing destinations that we've yet to be able to reach on cruise ships. So it'll continue to grow. It's an incredible industry.
We stay here about 20 partnership here, and everyone says that they did a good job in cruise shipping.
Happy 30th anniversary of Cruise Shipping Miami.
Happy anniversary Cruise Shipping Miami. 30 years, wow.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Well, I'm delighted to wish Cruise Ship Miami happy anniversary. 30 years is fantastic, and I look forward to 30 more years of it.
As we continue to grow, Cruise Shipping Miami will grow. We love the partnership, and again, happy anniversary from all our friends at the PPI Group.
Happy anniversary, Cruise Shipping Miami. 30 years, and you don't look a day over 25.
Well, all the best and buona fortuna in the Italian way for the next 30 years to come.
Of course, it's a great anniversary. 30 is always a special anniversary, and I think we're going to look forward to something spectacular this week. And I think everybody's really excited about Cruise Shipping Miami and how this event really captures everything we need as an industry and also all the players that are involved. So it's a great time, and 30 years is a special moment.
Congratulations, that's a terrific achievement. You're almost as old as I am. I started 32 years ago, so congratulations on your 30th anniversary.
Hey everybody, thanks for coming to Cruise Shipping Miami. To reserve a 2015 exhibit stand, contact sales at cruiseshippingmiami.com or visit cruiseshippingmiami.com. Cheers to another 30 years.